This video will cover the letter U and the letter W in cursive. So remember, you want to keep your paper flat, sit up straight, feet on the floor, hold your pencil correctly, tilt your paper. The letter U starts at the bottom, and this is going to be a letter that stops at the middle line. It's not a tall letter. The letter U curves up. Then it traces back down and comes up. So now we've got almost a backwards printed U. But we also need another one. And I know that this looks like the letter W when we print, right? But in cursive, there are some letters that tend to have extra humps. So we just need to remember the letter U has some extra humps. And all we're doing is curving to the middle, tracing back down, and then creating a hump, and then tracing back down and creating another hump. When you do it all together, remember not to pick up your pencil until you're finished with the letter. We start at the bottom, up, down, up, down, up, and stop. My U is not fat. My U is not super skinny either. Notice the difference. My U does not come above this dotted line. And my U does not drop below that bottom line. My U is very precise, starting on the bottom, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. In pencil, up, down, up, down, up. Notice how I have curves, I don't have points. Nothing in cursive is pointed at the bottom. Okay? You can use the next couple lines to practice your U. When we get to the W, however, there's only one thing that's different between the U and the W. I'm going to write the W, and I'm going to give you a few seconds to figure out what the difference is. Are you ready? Do you see the difference? The W has the same tracing pattern as the U, but we put a tail on it. That's the only difference. So if you've been practicing your U, then you are an expert at the W. Curve up, down, up, and tail. Once again, my U is not fat. My W is not fat. My W is not super skinny. Notice how that has too much of a curve, and it also didn't stop at the bottom line. My tail is not super big. Our letters are not that far apart. My W does not go above the dotted line. This is a U, and this is a W. Nice rounded curve. Everything touches the bottom, everything touches the top. The middle, I'm sorry. In pencil, slow curve, round hump, and a tail. Go ahead and practice your U's and your W's.